Welcome back to a vision experiment with me, Ty, talking everything Apple Vision Pro, spatial computing, applications, accessories and more. And in this video, we're going to have a look at something that will be able to upgrade your home workspace. There are a lot of products out there and a lot of accessories for Apple Vision Pro. And one of the ones that I see a lot are interesting looking charge devices and charge docks. And so many of them all look very samey and in some ways maybe kind of not something aesthetic wise that I think really suits the Vision Pro. But I was approached by a brand called PrismXR who said, have a look at our product, have a look at our charge dock. We know that this product will suit and match what the Vision Pro's aesthetic is like and really upgrade your workspace. Now, the thing that I don't like about charge docks that I've come across in the past is the fact that it uses things like magnets, things that are not particularly fast charging. And so in turn, putting them on them, I'm never really overly relying on them to be fully charged every time I pick them up. But the one thing that I was looking for if I was ever going to use something like this was something that gave me something different, something faster. And that's where this really intrigued me. And here it is. This is the Karina D1 Apple Vision Pro Charge Dock by PrismXR. I wanted something that gave me a little bit extra, something that would allow me to have accessibility to the Vision Pro as and when I needed on my working area. But I also wanted to have the ability to have a faster charge, and that's where this came in. And here are a few key things that PrismXR say about the Karina D1 and what its pros are, what its strengths truly are. Just place your Vision Pro battery on the charging cradle and a steady, efficient charge begins on contact. Seamlessly switch between the pogo pin and USB ports, ensuring ultra-fast 65-watt charging anytime. You'll have never felt a dock like this before. The silicone finish feels remarkably soft as you place your Vision Pro and its battery into the dock, providing reliable protection and preventing scratches. Nest Bionic design. Drawing inspiration from a natural nest, it offers compact packaging for organized storage and easy retrieval of Vision Pro and its battery. Equipped with overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat and overcharge protection to ensure the safety and reliability whilst charging Vision Pro's battery. So just want to quickly stop the video, just to say that I really appreciate you guys watching. I really appreciate you guys coming back and seeing more of my content about Apple Vision Pro and more. And with that, I really appreciate it if you guys aren't subscribed to hit that subscribe button. And if you are watching the content, smash the like button. It's all really important for the channel growth. And let's get back to the video. So here is the charge dock itself. This is the main body of the charge dock. And as you can see, it's like a Nest design where you can slot the Vision Pro in, you can fit the battery in. And the reason why it's got a better charging system is because of this tiny, tiny little USB-C adapter. What it does is if you get hold of the Apple Vision Pro battery, you know on the top it's got a USB-C connection where it charges. Now this allows for two methods of charging. You can connect it to the Vision Pro. It's got a metal kind of paint aesthetic to sort of fit the battery aesthetic as well. It has a pass-through, so you've got the ability to charge with a USB cable straight into the adapter that will then obviously go straight into the battery bank. But you also have these connection pins that will allow you just to put the battery straight into the charge dock, and you get this really good audible beep that allows you to know that the battery is charging. And it gives you 65-watt fast charging. Compared to other methods of contact charging, this one is really, really good. And it makes me feel like it's definitely going to allow me to use it more regularly and much easier to just get my hands on and pick it up and get on with my working day. So let's put the Vision Pro on there. and have a look how it fits in. Now, one of the other aspects of this, and I'm just going to tip it up as well and see if you can see this, there is a sort of rubberized area at the front of the Carina, and it's there for you to make sure that you feel happy. Putting the Vision Pro's kind of lower area of the frame onto it. What you don't want to have is something that is going to be abrasive, anything that could cause any issue with the cameras that are at the bottom of the Vision Pro, because that's his eyes for seeing your hands for the hand tracking. You don't want to have any issues with that. So you want a very soft to the touch and easily cleanable material to lie that on if you're going to be putting it on there really regularly. So it's going to fit on there pretty nicely. It fits on there really snug. There's no movement. There's nothing that would say it's going to wobble out, rock out in any way, shape or form. This video is sponsored by PrismXR. Bridge the virtual with reality for endless exploration. That's their slogan, and it's something that really resonates with me. It's something that I'm very passionate about, this type of technology, and so are PrismXR. PrismXR makes some amazing products such as the Karina D1, not only for Vision Pro, but also for the Meta Quest 3. They also make some other accessories for PC VR, and they also create some awesome accessories for audio for XR. PrismXR's story is very much about passion for the XR industry. Creating amazing accessories was part of a journey that started very, very early, in the early days of VR, from Google Cardboard and Oculus. So many different iterations of VR headsets have come out since then, and they're still trying to innovate and design cool accessories that work, making it so much easier for us to use these things daily. If you'd like to know more about what PrismXR do, what their story is, and what accessories they create, go over to their website or leave a link down in my description so you can check out everything about them. And then also there is some cable management. So you can see here, you've got the battery cable. If you kind of fold that up a little bit, you can just slot it into a little area just at the back. It's like a little clip, and it will clip in the cable. That should be held in some way. And you can literally just turn it around, and I can show you there. Underneath there is where your cable is sort of locked in with like a little clip, and it's really easy to unlock as well. So something that is very, very well thought out, from both the charging of the battery pack, the way that the actual AppleVisionPro sits within this nested cradle, and how it just visually looks. Aesthetically, it's got white plastic and then a silver painted plastic with the PrismXR logo. It's got a very good matching aesthetic to the Vision Pro itself, and it doesn't actually feel, even though it's made out of plastic, particularly cheap. It's very well built, it's very solid, it doesn't creak, it doesn't have anything that I would say has anything poorly made about it or 3D printed or anything like that. So that's why I think it's a very, very good product overall from a build quality standpoint. If you did enjoy this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. It just shows that you did, and that really means a lot to me. And also, if you want to see more stuff just like this about AppleVisionPro, about accessories, applications, and many other things in the world of spatial computing, the only way to do it is to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you know when new videos drop. That was a look at the PrismXR Carina D1 AppleVisionPro Charge Dock. Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these, you can go to the link in my description where it will take you to the PrismXR's website. You'll be able to pick one up for $99 in the US, £83 in the UK, and there are other territories where PrismXR sell this product. And with that, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys for another one really soon.